sound a little muffled, that's why. I have it on wrong, 100%. I can't get the damn thing over my nose right now. I'm gonna try that. Hold up. Let's see. Oh my god, it's a fucking mess. Can't see out of my left eye. Okay. Let me pull it down now. There we go. Alright. Oh my god, there's a lot of chickens. Oh. Alright. Oh god. I'm going to, I can't breathe. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, that feels so much better. Oh my gosh. Alright. Anyways, I'm wearing a balaclava. Trying to see what it does for wind noise, at least from my ears and for the video. Oh my god. I gotta get used to this thing. I never wear it unless it's like freezing out. Today I'm going to test out my drone. I got my drone fixed up. I hope. That's why I'm testing it. I want to see if it works today, so I'm going to try it. I really hope it works. If not, I'm going to be so upset. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, it's a chicken. Like right there, bro, at the road. God, I'm such a noob. Oh, downshift. Downshift. Check, check. No one's there. Go, go, go. Accelerate. Whoa, bad, bad, bad. You know, not gonna lie, not a single thought is like going through my brain. Other than, not a single thought is like going through my brain today. Usually there's a million things, but like, I'm just at ease. I'm at ease, you know. There's nothing much to talk about right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I do. I know. No, I don't. Forget what I just said. We're going over there on the right side of those nuclear power plants called TMI, 3 Mile Island. If I get my drone to work, I'm gonna show you guys the potential. They're straight chilling. Hello. Okay. Staring me down. I'll stare you down, bruh. Come on now. Alright, we're gonna attempt this. I got it! Oh. No way! Let's go! So I can't see now. There's hair in my eyes. God damn it! It's got a haircut. How's that happening? Now it's in my nose. I can't breathe. Ah! It's gonna fall again. I gotta learn how to put this thing on correctly so it doesn't piss me off. Alright. Oh shit. I'm supposed to go that way. Okay, here's the deal. I'm gonna do a circle. I'm gonna do a circle. Yeah, that guy was straight. He was like, hey! I love riding, man. This shit is so fun. Even if I'm not going fast, like, it just puts me in a good mood. Even when I don't feel like talking, I'm straight chilling. This spot right here, I've been going to a lot. Look at that. Little spot's cool. I like it. Woo! There's something back there? I didn't even know that. I'm just gonna explore a little bit and then I'll come back here. Yeah, I got my tripod with me too, so hopefully I can get some nice footage. I don't know what the plan is. The spot that I go to now has a lot of people anyways that like it's boats, they dock there. When I went there before, like 2, 3, 4 months ago, no one was there. I was like, oh sweet, this spot's cool. I pulled up yesterday trying to get my drone out. I forgot a little cord that goes into my controller and then in my phone. I was like, no! But honestly, today it's gonna look a little bit better out, so I'm fine with that. If I have footage of it or like a picture, I'll show you how cool the spot looked with the sunset. It looked so cool, but I think today's gonna look nicer and clean, like the golden hour. There wasn't really a golden hour that day. I didn't have my GoPro or nothing either, so I don't really have any footage of yesterday, but let's say it was like a total bomb. It didn't work out at all. But that's okay, you know, that's how life is. Because now, today, I'm prepared. I'm prepared and I'm ready. And I'm going the speed limit. What the hell? Slightly. Just a little above. The speed limit is like 70 and a 55. Like, that's the speed limit. 75. This is under. By a lot. On a bike. In a car, you know what it is. Look at that. Oh. Woo! Wait, watch. Yo, I'm a star. I'm gonna stall out. I don't know what got into there, I'm sorry. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Alright, my tripod, I don't know if you can see that in the shadow right there. I got a tripod there. It almost fell off. Why am I going faster than them? That's crazy. Hello. Yes. That's what it's about. Smile and wave. If you ever watch Madagascar, the penguins.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Just do it. You never know what it can make someone's day. It can make their week. You know, some people are shy. If they wave back at you, you wave at them, they wave back at you. You don't know what they can do to someone, Just say hi. We're too afraid. Oh, yeah. That looks nice. I gotta do this feeling, man. I don't want my tripod falling off. It's connected by one strap, so it could very easily fall. Woo! No, never mind. It could very easily. Shit, I was thought. Alright, it could very easily be detached because it's literally connected by one little buckle. It could be unclipped so fast too. I'm like telling myself this guy's going so slow, and I want to pass him, but like he's not. I don't know. I ride so stupid all the time that like that's how my brain works. No one behind me? Yeah. If there's ever something you want to do and you thought about and you want to remember it, put it on a whiteboard, or write that jaunt down, even if it's your notes on your phone. I personally don't do like the phone because like I forget it so much, and I don't see it because there's so many other things on your phone. That looked like it just. I did not see that. That like just. Hold up. That's disgusting. You guys good? Okay, whatever. Not my issue now. Someone definitely hit something. I don't know. I was giving them a thumbs up if they're good, and she looked at me like, no, nothing's wrong. Something happened bad. Like, I'm gonna roll the footage back. Like, was that there? What? No way I didn't see that. Because my eyes were closed, but they're open, usually. I really hope there's not many people because, shit. What in the white is happening? You see that shit? You see that shit? You see that shit? Oh my god, what are you doing, bro? Put your ass down, dude. Oh my god. Oh, please don't kick me out. Alright. Here's what we're working with. I don't have anything crazy, but what I do have is I have the Mavic Mini. Someone gave it to me when I was at work one day. He painted it black. I don't know why, but hey, account not logged in. I have to log in, bro? What? You guys have no idea how much time I just spent doing this. It's been like 20 minutes. Oh, that's so dumb. Well, that was a freaking boss, dude. Now I gotta think of somewhere else. Oh my god. See if it works. Oh my god, it works. Alright, here we go, ASMR. Ooh, I feel bad. Go ahead, go ahead. We'll go this way. I hate this light. What would be the problem if I ran it? No one. No one cares. You're... If I had both batteries, oh my god! Holy shit, look at that! Look at that shit! Holy fuck, oh my god! No, no! Fuck off. Damn, bruh. Damn. Holy shit. Ah, you can't fucking see it very well. Oh! 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 Oh my god! That looks so good! That actually looks so good. Like, I can't... Words can't describe how good that sounds. Only only sounds can. Dog. Oh. People, I love them. I love them. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, no, no. All right, ready? Fuck it. Fuck it. That's so... Oh my god. That is fucking scary. You gotta dump that bitch. Ready? Oh! Fuck no. No, no, no. We're not doing that. This battery's on its last leg. Woohoo. We fucking made it. Let's go. Beep. I can't hear anything. Super.